Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new update on Agix. Very much necessary because yesterday what I said was that it looked most likely yesterday that Agix would consolidate for a bit longer and then eventually break out. But that was completely wrong because in the afternoon we very quickly and we did talk about this. So hopefully you were prepared when it actually happens. But we did talk about the fact that 95 cents was the main resistance level for Agix. We broke above that in at 4 o'clock in my time zone. Broke above that with momentum as well. I mean, if you look at the open interest during that period of time, what you'll see, and that's the same for Fetch, but what you'll see is that was extremely bullish. A lot of spot buying as well, which is very bullish for the long term. Now, Agix is not as bullish as Fetch, for example, which did like a 50% move. Which is pretty ridiculous, but Agix, I still like Singularitynet as an AI project a lot. And right now what we're seeing, and you can also see that right here, is that AI is just one of the strongest narratives. And that has multiple reasons. I mean, first of all, the AI industry in the world is going to be huge. And then if we look at the total market cap of all of the AI projects in crypto, where there can be some utility and some value, that's very low compared to that, all right? So most AI coins are still undervalued if you assume that they will have some sort of a role to play in the AI industry. So the same goes for Agix. It's just in general, if you look at the market cap right now, fundamentally for Agix, it's around $1.4 billion. That can easily 2x from here, like easily. So fundamentally very bullish on Agix. At this moment, it's not as bullish as Fetch, by the way, but that is because Fetch is the main mover in the AI sector. And Agix is a bit of a lagging factor. Sometimes it actually does rally a bit more than Fetch, but most of the times it doesn't. So right now the situation is that we have found some strong resistance. There's a pretty big resistance level right here between 1.2 and 1.3, around 1.25, and just in general you have some Fibonacci extension levels there, which are usually respected. And we have a massive support at $1. So that's basically the area which we are in. And due to the fundamentals, both because of AI, but also in general because of Bitcoin, I would say it's most likely that Agix will head up higher right here. All right, so head into 1.25, 1.3. And if it gets there and the open interest actually doesn't drop down too much, which I would be surprised if that's the case. But if that happens, we can also break above that. In general, I think Agix can actually break above 1.25. And rally up to 1.5, which would be my next price target. If I can make some sort of a line here. No, I can't. All right. Not sure why. Can I do it now? No. But all right. So I do think that eventually we can actually break above 1.25 and get up towards 1.5. It's very annoying that I cannot. Okay, there it is. Made some weird lines. This is what I expect ultimately. I think on the short term though, because we have found some significant resistance and because that resistance has also made us lose some momentum right here, I think it's better now to await some sort of a breakout. I think that if Agix can actually break above 1.2 right now, I think we will also break above 1.25, and then this bullish momentum which we have will continue. But if Agix drops down below its main support level, I would say at 1.1, then it's more likely that we will actually drop down a bit more, consolidate around $1, and then eventually break above, get to 1.25 and break above that. And I would almost say, but I said that yesterday as well, I would almost say it's time for a bit of consolidation. All right, the markets are strong, but Bitcoin is also getting into a bit of a consolidation. So I would definitely be prepared for a breakout above $1.25. And I think it's going to happen for Agix, but I think it's more likely on the short term that we might get there, but that we will not break above that and consolidate a bit down here. So those are my thoughts at this moment. I will keep you updated if I think a breakout is coming, but for now, I want to thank you for watching. Take care and bye.